Welcome to the future of driving. Meet the 2024 Tesla Model 3, a sleek electric vehicle that's turning heads across Australia. The 2024 Model 3 features subtle but significant design updates. With a refreshed bumper, slim headlights, and improved aerodynamics, this Tesla cuts through the air with style and efficiency. Inside, Tesla has made the Model 3 even more comfortable. The cabin is quieter, with better soundproofing and a redesigned dashboard. You'll also find a massive 15-inch touchscreen that controls everything from entertainment to navigation. In terms of performance, the 2024 Tesla Model 3 offers a thrilling driving experience. The long-range model accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.4 seconds and boasts a range of up to 629 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for long road trips across Australia. Safety is a top priority for Tesla. The Model 3 comes packed with advanced features like Tesla Vision, which provides 360-degree visibility, automatic emergency braking, and driver assistance features designed to keep you safe on the road. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 is the perfect blend of innovation, performance, and sustainability. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring Australia's rugged terrain, the Model 3 offers an unbeatable electric experience. Ready to make the switch to electric? Let us know in the comments what excites you the most about the 2024 Tesla Model 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more EV content.